This video will be going over how to install the Bulletproof stabilizer bar kit. First, we're going to cover the tools needed to do this right. You'll need a tape measure, 5/8, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch drill bits, power drill, a pair of crescent wrenches, and blue tape. Optional tools are a G-clamp, an impact gun with 3/4, 15/16, and 1 1/16 sockets, and finally our complete stabilizer kit. Place the bracket 1 inch from the bottom of the gusset and keep it tight to the weld. Use the G-clamp to hold it tight. Mark where you'll be drilling with the 5/8 bit and then attach the 1/4 inch bit and pre-drill through the gusset. Follow up with a 1/2 inch bit and finish it off with a 5/8 bit. Insert the 5/8 bolt into the pre-drilled hole. Tighten the bolt with 2 crescent wrenches or the impact gun. Mount stabilizer bars to the bracket using 3/4 bolts and add the nuts. Put 3 or more pieces of tape onto your frame and hold up the bracket to the frame and draw in the bracket holes. Use the 1/4 inch bit to pre-drill the marked holes and the 1/2 inch bit to finish it out. Put the bolts through the bracket and then connect that to the frame. Add washers on the opposite side and put on the nuts. Line up the spacers with the heim joint and then insert the pin and attach the R-clip. Twist the bar clockwise until you feel it get tight, and then take the tightening bar and give it a 1/2 turn. Turn the jam nut until it touches the bar and then tighten it with a hammer or wrench. Repeat this process for the other side and you're done.